This is the Owla F75 in the purple, teal, and green colors, which I think are my favorite. As always, you can connect it to Bluetooth 2.4 gigahertz or wire it directly in, and the 2.4 gigahertz dongle is built right into the side of it. I love the way these Owla keyboards sound. The Owla is known for their quality as well as their great pricing. This keyboard is completely customizable with the keycaps as well as the switches underneath them being able to fully be replaced. So let's do the most important part of this test, the typing test. They have crazy deals going on these right now in the TikTok shop, so check that orange shopping cart below and see what price you can get it for. And there's a reason that Owla is quickly becoming the enthusiast keyboard that everyone is talking about.